Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to tell you how to fix your location if you are unable to share location on iPhone. If you are unable to share location on your iPhone and now you want to share your location, so you just have to do some settings of your phone. First, you have to open phone settings, and settings, just scroll down and look for privacy. Here's that, tap on it, and here you have location services, tap on it. In location services, you have an option which is share my location, but first you have to enable your location services. You have to make sure just your location services are turned on. After doing this, just tap on share my location, and here you have to allow this setting which is share my location, and you have to turn on these all settings. And after doing this, just go back, and here scroll down, and here you have account, Apple account, tap on it. In Apple account you have an option of find my, just tap on it, and here you have find my iPhone. So turn it on and then turn on these all settings. After doing this, just go back. You just have to scroll down again and go to privacy settings again, and here you have to tap on location services. In location services you can see here's the option of find my, just tap on it, and here you have to select while using the app, tap on it, and then make sure that this setting is turned on. After doing this, just go back and make a force restart to your phone. So let's see how can you do it. You just have to quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button, and then press and hold the power button. So let's do it. First volume up, then volume down, and then power button, and then you just have to scroll it to right to turn off your phone. Just scroll it here, and then just press and hold the power button to turn on your phone. After turning on your phone, it's maybe your problem will be solved, and if it doesn't work, so you just have to go to settings again. So let's wait for to power it on, and here just unlock your phone and then go to settings. In settings, go to general. Now scroll down, and here you have an option of transfer or reset iPhone. You just have to tap on it, and here select reset, and here select reset location and privacy, tap on it, and then you have to enter your phone passcode to reset your location settings. And after doing this step, your location services will be enabled and you will be able to share your location to anyone. And after doing this, you just have to go back, and here select screen time. Here's that, tap on it, and screen time, just scroll down, and here you'll get an option of content and privacy restrictions. Just tap on it, and here you have to make sure that this setting is turned on, and that you have the option of share my location, tap on it, and here you have to make it allow. And after doing this, your problem has been fixed, and now your share location is working on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.